see the line of demarcation. This side is lighter, this side is darker, isn't it? This is adrenal cortex, this is adrenal medulla. Adrenal medulla contains sinuses, blood-filled sinuses. Look here. Adrenal medulla, this is adrenal cortex. Outer adrenal cortex constituting approximately 80% of the gland, and adrenal medulla comprising approximately 20% of the gland. Adrenal medulla is formed of chromaffin cells that secrete two hormones, epinephrine and norepinephrine. So let me magnify this a little bit for you. The whole thing, whole field of vision is adrenal medulla. But when I take it right here, you see the line of demarcation, can you? Yeah? This is much darker than this part, isn't it? This is adrenal cortex, and this region is called Zona Reticularis. So here the cells, these cells are the chromaffin cells. Yep. Secreting epinephrine and norepinephrine. And the ratio of epinephrine and norepinephrine, it would be like 4:1 or 5:1, something like that. Okay? Let us go for adrenal cortex. Now, when I have like this, and if I ask you, identify the gland, be specific. Listen here. If you wrote adrenal gland, that wouldn't be sufficient, that wouldn't be enough. You have to mention which part of adrenal. So this is adrenal cortex, though this is the zona reticularis. Don't write zona reticularis. If you are very tempted to write, first write adrenal cortex, then within parentheses you can write zona reticularis. Okay? But if you wrote adrenal cortex, if the question read like, name the gland, be specific, or name the specific gland, that is adrenal cortex. Name the specific gland, adrenal medulla. Do you get that? So this is zona reticularis, and zona reticularis secretes gonadocorticoids or androgens. Go to the outermost region of adrenal gland, and easily the landmark are these arrangement of cells in the zona glomerulosa. Yeah? So-called mini hot dogs now. They're not, definitely. Is there any such term like mini hot dog or mega hot dog? No. This is zona glomerulosa. This is the capsule of the adrenal gland. And immediately below the zona glomerulosa, you can see the zona fasciculata, because these are very packed fascicles. And this zona fasciculata secretes glucocorticoids. What does zona glomerulosa secrete? Mineralocorticoids. Example, aldosterone. Here, example of glucocorticoids, cortisol. Example of hormones, gonadocorticoids, androstenedione, or just androgen. Androgen will be good enough. Okay? Adrenal gland is done. What you need to differentiate adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla, and also the different zones or regions of adrenal cortex. This is zona reticularis, zona fasciculata, and zona glomerulosa. Okay, we are done with endocrine glands. Of course, we are not yet done completely because a structure in the ovary called corpus luteum